Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much for coming, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to present the title of my paper is Asean Economic Geography as challenge for Indonesian circle higher education, and self from Fakultas of Law Pancasila University. And I'm going to give you the general picture of management Indonesian higher education. I think our guest here, as the dean, session director, and the lecturer, has many experience to manage the institutions, particularly Faculty of Law. In the legal higher education perspective, I think we have to divide it into aspects. Firstly is academic aspects, and the second one is non-academic aspects. Let's you know together that Indonesia has a public university or private university. All of them have to refer to official regulations or regulations. Organizations, financial, employees, and students, structure and infrastructure based on their financial management regulated the board of private university or the district itself. Next, in this important discussions is Indonesian education regulations. About legal system among ASEAN, I agree with Professor Hikmato that it's very difficult to harmonize, but some subjects can be workable items. And now we refer to Indonesian education regulations. Just remind you that regulations on education regulated pursuant Act number 20/2013 in the year 2013 on national education systems. And the second one, Government Regulations number 19 in the year 2002 on national education standards. And the third one, the Act number 12/2012 on higher education. And now about focus on the curriculums, like discussed before. That's our problem is curriculum. If we want to harmonize about the legal systems. Curriculums regulated by decisions letter the Ministry of Education National number 232 in the year 2000 on curriculums, and secondly is decisions letter number 45 2002 on KPK curriculum berbasis kompetensi based on curriculums. And the last one is President Regulations number 8, 2012 on KKMI. And now, like Professor Hikmato said before, that higher education system law, there are two mainstream system law, like civil law systems. And the second one is common law system. So this is my experience. We joined and work together with the Malaya University and some from Japan and Yunnan from Tiongkok. The problem is that's ecosystem. Like historically, Indonesia has colonized by the Netherlands, so continental, and then Somalia ever also colonized by British. And some dynasty, Thailand, refer to France legal systems. And so the big questions really is how to harmonize that legal system, I think. But sometimes we get the same subjects among of them. Like, according to my experiences, like a migrant worker, I think, labor of law. And then the ATR, and so on. So harmonize is big problem for us. But some subjects can be workable items, it's okay. Like next. Now the structure of legal education. Look at the screen. Regulated by Article 15, the Act number 12 the year 2012 on higher education. And we have the structure, first ones are the undergraduates, and the second ones postgraduates, and the third one PhD. PhD itself is very, very different because the other country like Malaysia and Thailand is only philosophy, but Indonesia, doctor, many just master the series of knowledge. And then the second one is professional. Our education produces notary, advocate, judge, and attorney. So this is professional, valid for Indonesians' riches. So many lecturers from Japan who study the Indonesian legal system, and she want to be a lawyer in Indonesia also. But she want to study full of subjects in Indonesia, because to be lawyer in Indonesia must be sarjana hukum, right? This is difficult to harmonize. And then the third one, vocational. And according to the regulations from Dicty, advised faculty of law next time have to produce the vocational sarjana, so just not sarjana hukum, but in practice diploma, I think. And next, the situations of Indonesian education. Like I said before, this is the same. The structure of higher legal education is undergraduate and postgraduate, like I said before. And legal system consists of civil law systems and common law systems. Just remind all of you. Now, this is just very, very important. Next. Implications of ASEAN economic community. At the same time, we know that will be free movement goods in the Asian country, and free movement of services, that's okay. Free movement of investment, that's okay also. But free movement of skilled labor, that's a problem. And free movement of human capital is a problem, because there is quality different among Indonesia and Malaysia. So we have to discuss together with the indicator, the produce from University Indonesia and from Malaysia and from the other countries, Thailand. I think this is a very, very different quality. So we have to discuss about the indicator, about the quality itself. And then the big question for me is, for Indonesia legal education, what will be done? Okay, next. Thank you. Next. Okay. I advise that concept of UNESCO can be a guideline to rearrange curriculum if we want to harmonize. So although this is very difficult, but we have to try by try. But we have to master the concept from UNESCO. Concepts UNESCO learning to know. This is like the meaning of a culture. Culture itself, students have to know well about the knowledge, and then the practice of knowledge, and then the practice to be and to live together with the other community. Like learning to know. The second one is learning to do three, and learning to be, and then learning to live together. We discuss about ASEAN community. The meaning that learning to live together ASEAN community, like that, right? I think. And then this is, has implications. How do we be done? If ASEAN community will be a river, So we have to rearrange the ASEAN curriculums. Next. We have to change curriculums. Yeah. We can sit together, discuss among scientific visions. Scientific visions is national or Asian or Asia or international. We have to determine first. If our national, I think this is enough because there are many regulations from the Ministry of Higher Education. But if we apply the ASEAN community, I think we rearrange our curriculum. We have to discuss together what subjects will be applied. And then we think about also market signal. I imagine that our approaches from my faculty can be applied by the other country like Malaysia or China. So we have to master some subjects, can be achieved also the other university from Thailand, from Malaysia, from Asia, Philippines also. And I arrange sometimes based on my experiences together with Malaysia and Thailand, many students and many lecturers from such country will study about the Islamic law. Islamic law. Very interested and some lecturer from Yunnan University, Universitas in the Central Java, a private university. The big question for them is how to internalize the principle of Islamic principle can be analyzed in the curriculum. So many lecturers from Tiongkok now will study privately in the Central Java. So the first thing here, we open subjects. The certain subjects we offer to the other university, public or private, in the like Philippines, India also, China and Malaysia. And then after that, we arrange, there are some subjects can be collaborated. After that, like the Pancasila University, send some student, send some lecturer to study the other subject in the Malaya University and Songkla University and Yunnan University. So this is my experiences can be referred to work together in our community. Next, this is just illustrations. Of course, we have to discuss together. If we get a difficulty to harmonize a legal system, I think some subjects can be workable items, and then we arrange ASEAN curriculums. So the meaning is some subjects can be out by some universities, and after that, drill and trial also. After that, we can apply ASEAN-based curriculum. So the conclusions I present is harmonize is very difficult, but some subjects can be workable item, like ADR, and then Islamic law, and so on and so on. Okay, that's my idea, idea, and because we discuss together. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for Professor Ade Saptomo. And next.